Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you, Bluetooth 5.0 deep bass true wireless earbuds with built-in microphone by TRANYA. This is B530 touch control sports wireless headphones. It will come 6 up to 8 hours continuously playtime. 60 hours total playtime with charging case. Oh yeah. Enter the premium sound with that. Devices here. Powered by Realtek headphone chip and high definition speaker. The B530 adds extra depth to the full and crisp sound, especially ethereal treble. No buttons, no pressure needed. The touch-sensitive earbuds allows easy and pressure-free control over adjusting the volume, changing the tracking, and even accessing to a voice assistant. Listen all the day long. That device gives you up to 8 hours uninterrupted playtime on a single charge and recharge your earbuds for 5 to 6 times with the charging case. Wherever you can go, you can enjoy the listening experience all the day long without power shortage. You have superior comfort and a fast and stable connection. The ergonomic in-ear design with multiple size of ear tips not only makes you forget you are wearing them, but also you ensure the sound quality by blocking most background noises out. Adopting the latest technology of Bluetooth 5.0, the B530 provides fast connection without tedious matching process, as well as non-skip listening experience in extended range around 33 feet. And you have a noise cancelling. These wireless earbuds can block out the most surrounding noises. You will be out of the street noise and get into the fantastic world of music with the sound quality of that device B530. Oh, and it's so easy to pair. The only thing you have to do is remove the earbud out of the container. Then the earbud will automatically go to the pairing mode. And if you are only get out one earbud, you can see on your smartphone earbud left or right. You can dock to it. Then you can use the other smartphone, for example, to get the other earbud out of the package and then do the same. So you can use these two earbuds on two different smartphones, for example. Or you will get out with both the right and the left earbud, then wait a second, and the earbud will connect each other. After this, they are in pairing mode. If they're not being in pairing mode, you can switch it on and off by pushing the touch screen on top of the right or left earbud for about 5 seconds. Then it will come into the pairing mode. After this, you have the Bose earbuds out of the package. Then you can pair to them at the same time. That means you have stereo sound. So then get it into your ears and have fun with it. If you get it into your ears, the earbuds will talk to you. They will tell you what is to do. Easily, really easy to connect. Then if you connect it with your smartphone, for example, or your iPad, or your tablet computer, etc., then it's time to have some fun with them. On the right side, if you are pushing one second or once a little touch, then it will start and stop. If you will answer a phone call, do the same. Push for 1-2 seconds on it, then you will get into the phone call. If you like to volume up, hold the button on the right side for approximately 3 seconds, then it will rise up the volume level. Do the same on the left side to volume down. If you're going to shut off this earbud system, you can take them, lay down in the case, job's done. Then they will go in off mode. Or you can push for about 5 seconds on the screen of them, and then they will go off too. So you can see it's really easy to use, really easy to get into it with it, and the sound is really great. I like the sound. You have a good sound there inside your ears, and the shape of these devices are really good if you are wearing them a couple of hours. No problem for me, I think so, to wear them a long time, really a long time. Oh yeah, and it is you have a wire to reload the case. If you fully reload the case by using the USB wire with a smartphone AC adapter, for example, or your computer, etc., then you can dock your earbuds into it and reload them at the same time. Easy going, yeah. This is an awesome thing. I like it. And it is waterproof, so you cannot go swimming with them, okay? But you can walk with them, you can run with them, you can play a little bit with them around in the nature, etc. No problem. One step pairing is included. Share the moments by using the left and the right earbud. No buttons, no pressure is needed. Recharge 5 up to 6 times because of the case, and up to 8 hours of playtime with the earbuds. Enter the premium sound, extra depth to the full and crisp sound, especially ethereal treble. Wow, I like it. So, adopting the latest technology, Bluetooth 5.0, the B530 provides fast connection without tedious matching process, as well as a non-skip listening experience in extended range around 33 feet. Easy going. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.